Looking to upgrade your beard grooming routine? Check out the Beard Hedger Pro Kit with everything you need to craft and maintain the perfect beard. Start by washing your luscious man-mane locks with our beard shampoo. Wet your beard and apply shampoo by gently massaging your burly bristles. Then rinse and enjoy that squeaky clean feeling. You can't smell the screen, but if you could, you'd whiff stuff that'll make your beard smell the best it's ever smelled. The time to pamper your beard with our leave-in beard softener has arrived. Just massage a small amount of conditioner into your clean, damp hair. What's next? Nothing. Because you leave this conditioner in and it works its magic, so your beard stays soft all day and all night long. Now let's tame that face mane with the Beard Hedger Trimmer. Turn the zoom wheel to choose your desired length. There are 20 length settings to choose from, ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters. For a comfortable trim, place the flat side of the trimming head against your skin. Make another pass if needed to trim your whole beard. For contouring, hold the trimming head perpendicular to the skin and move the trimming head upwards or downwards with gentle pressure. Our beard oil is a moisturizing serum that increases natural sheen and restores moisture to your skin. Just put a small amount in your palm, rub hands together and massage oil into your beard. Then, run our beard brush through your beard to make sure the oil moisturizes each of your hairs. Those with long or extra dry beards can apply a little bit more oil. Now, we all know that beard hair can be coarse and wiry. It's time to put every strand in its place with our beard balm. Don't worry, it won't make your beard look stiff or crunchy. It's super lightweight. Just scoop a bit into your hands, rub them together, massage the balm into damp beard hair and shape and style hairs. And go ahead, run those fingers through your beard since it's so soft. Looking good, bearded man. If you feel like any finishing touches are needed since you're such a beard perfectionist, grab for the beard comb, beard brush, or beard scissors. They're all included as free gifts in the Beard Hedger Pro Kit. Let's break down what each of them do. The beard comb detangles any knots. You tackle any detail work with the beard scissors. And the beard brush does a lot of cool stuff, like helping evenly distribute products into your beard, as well as tames, defrizzes, and shapes hair. Okay, you've officially gone balls out on your beard. Enjoy your Beard Hedger Pro Kit. And for more beard grooming goodness, go to manscaped.com.